Hello and welcome to BoloSign. In this video, I'll show you how to send form data to Airtable just like Google Sheet. Let's quickly get started. Firstly, click on Form Creation option. Once your form has been opened in the editor, just click on Responses and scroll down, click on Airtable, and then you have to click on Select Table. Choose a base to see available table. For instance, I have added employment agreement as a base in my Airtable. I will just select that and will choose one of the table. I will go ahead with employees. If you want, you can create a new one as well. This Airtable has been successfully integrated with BoloSign. All your form responses to this particular form will be stored in your Airtable. Now let's start by creating a form. I have created a form. Now I will click on send. For instance, I am sending this to myself only to show you how the responses are being stored in Airtable. I will just share it via link, copy that, and will open it in the new browser in the new link. Once the form has been right on my screen, I will just fill that out. I have filled out the form as per the requirement of the question and now will click on submit. So this particular response will be saved in Airtable. Let's see that. We'll be going back to the form and we just have to refresh it once so that the responses are being added. Now we'll click on responses, Airtable, and we'll click on view Airtable. As you can see that all the responses have been saved in my Airtable. So this was my base. And if you will scroll down and if you can see over here also, if you'll click on BoloSign AE12, so you will see all the responses which I have got from that particular form has been stored in my Airtable. So this was that simple how you can easily store your form data in Airtable with just few steps. Now you must be thinking that why is it important? Because it keeps your form structured, reducing the risk of loss of multiple records. No more manual data entry. BoloSign automatically map responses to Airtable fields. HR team can track agreements, monitoring high trends and streamline approvals with ease. Thank you.